Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Hi students, this is Zinat Miss of Campus 4. Today I am here with the subject BGS. In the previous class I have given you 4 short questions and with their answers. And I have given you some homeworks. I hope you have all done it. Today I am here with the broad question of chapter 5. I have 2 broad questions for you. And these are very easy. Now I'm gonna read them for you. Broad question number 1. Which human qualities allow us to do good deeds? If we want to be a good person, so what are the good deeds we should do if we want to be a good person? The answer is following human qualities allow us to do good deeds. If we have such qualities with us, we can be a good person and we can do good deeds. A. Speaking the truth. We should always speak the truth. B. Respecting elders. If we want to do good deeds, we should always respect our elders. C. Helping others. If you want to be a good person, you want to do a good deed, you should always help others. D. Behaving well with all. If you speak the truth, if you respect your elder, if you help others, but if you don't behave well with everyone, no, you cannot be a good person. So, to be a good person, that means the qualities you should have to be a good person are speaking the truth, respecting elders, helping others, behaving well with all. Now, number 2. Which human quality would you most like to be known for? If you want everyone to know you as a good person, what are the qualities you want to have to be a good person? If everyone will know you for your good qualities, what are the good qualities you want in you to be known for? The answer is, I would like most to be known for best quality such as truthfulness, honesty, benevolence, etc. Benevolence, that means kindness. So these are the 3 good qualities we should always want to be in us, so that everyone will know us as for those good qualities. So these are the 2 broad questions I have today for you. Broad question number 1. Which human qualities allow us to do good deeds? Broad question number 2. Which human quality would you most like to be known for? So these are very easy. And now for the homework. For the homework, I'm going to give you learn plus write. Broad question number 1 and 2, learn plus write. Okay, that's all for today. See you soon. Until then, be good, listen to your parents and be safe. Bye.